Hey everyone, let's explore Amreli, a cool city in the Saurashtra area of Gujarat. It's a place where old meets new. Amreli is like a bridge between the busy cities of Rajkot and Bhavnagar, making it super important for business. It's surrounded by wide open spaces and has a tropical climate. Summers are hot, winters are mild, and the monsoon season brings just the right amount of rain. Amreli's location makes it special. It's really connected to the land. The people here are known for being tough and good at business. This lively city gives you a real taste of Gujarat.
Amreli joined Gujarat and became a big center for farming and trade.
Farming is super important in Amreli. The region's economy heavily relies on agriculture, making it the backbone of the local livelihood. The vast stretches of fertile land are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers who toil day in and day out to ensure a bountiful harvest. The land is good for growing lots of crops like peanuts, cotton, sugarcane, different kinds of beans, wheat, and gram. These crops are not only essential for local consumption, but also play a significant role in the trade and export markets. The diversity of crops grown here showcases the adaptability and resilience of the farming community. Farmers work really hard to grow these crops, feeding the city and other places too. The harvest season is a time of great activity and anticipation, as farmers gather the fruits of their labor. The community comes together during this time, with everyone playing a part in ensuring the crops are harvested efficiently and stored properly. Raising animals is also a big deal here. Livestock farming complements crop production, providing a balanced agricultural system. The animals are not only a source of food, but also contribute to the farming process through their labor and manure, which is used as a natural fertilizer. Amreli is known for its cows and buffaloes, which are raised for milk. The dairy products from this region are renowned for their quality and are in high demand both locally and in neighboring areas. The care and attention given to the livestock ensure that the milk produced is of the highest standard. The dairy industry is doing well here. Modern facilities and techniques have been adopted to enhance production and maintain hygiene standards. This has led to an increase in productivity and has opened up new markets for dairy products from Amreli. The city is also a busy trading center for farm goods. Markets buzz with activity as traders and buyers negotiate deals. The vibrant market scenes reflect the economic vitality of the region, with a wide variety of produce available for sale. They trade lots of cotton, spices, and oil seeds, which brings in traders from all over. The trade of these commodities is a major source of income for the region, attracting business from far and wide. The efficient transportation and packaging systems ensure that the goods reach their destinations in prime condition. Amreli's farms not only feed its own people, but also send food to other parts of the region and the country. The agricultural output from this region plays a crucial role in ensuring food security and supporting the economy. The dedication and hard work of the farmers and traders in Amreli are truly commendable, making it a vital hub of agricultural activity.
Amreli is full of culture and traditions. This small yet vibrant town in Gujarat is a melting pot of various cultural practices and festivities that reflect the rich heritage of the region. Walking through the streets of Amreli, one can witness the daily life of its people, deeply rooted in their customs and traditions. The local markets are always bustling with activity, offering a glimpse into the everyday lives of the residents. From traditional crafts to local delicacies, the markets are a treasure trove of cultural experiences. Festivals here are really lively and show how vibrant Gujarat is. Each festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy, bringing the community together in a colorful display of unity and tradition. The streets come alive with music, dance, and the aroma of delicious food, creating an atmosphere of celebration that is truly infectious. Whether it's a religious festival or a cultural event, the spirit of festivity is always in the air. Navratri, a 9-night festival, is celebrated with lots of energy. This festival is dedicated to the worship of the goddess Durga, and is marked by 9 nights of music, dance, and devotion. People from all walks of life come together to participate in the festivities, which include traditional dances like Garba and Dandiya Raas. The nights are filled with the sound of rhythmic beats and the sight of people dancing in colorful attire, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. People get together to do the Garba and Dandiya Raas dances, wearing colorful clothes and moving to the music. These dances are not just a form of entertainment, but also a way to express devotion and celebrate the cultural heritage of the region. The vibrant costumes, intricate dance moves, and the infectious energy of the participants make Navratri a truly unforgettable experience. Diwali, the festival of lights, makes Amreli shine with tons of lamps. This festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Homes and streets are adorned with oil lamps, candles, and colorful lights, creating a magical ambiance. The entire town is illuminated, and the night sky is filled with the sparkle of fireworks, adding to the festive spirit. Houses are decorated, and fireworks light up the sky. Families come together to perform rituals, exchange gifts, and enjoy festive meals. The sound of laughter and the sight of children playing with sparklers add to the joyous atmosphere. Diwali in Amreli is a time of togetherness, celebration, and creating beautiful memories. Makar Sankranti is when everyone flies kites, filling the sky with color. This festival marks the transition of the sun into the zodiac sign of Capricorn and is celebrated with great fervor. The skies are filled with vibrant kites of all shapes and sizes, and the air is filled with the sound of laughter and cheers as people compete to cut each other's kites. It's a day of fun, excitement, and friendly competition. Holi, the festival of colors, is a fun celebration where people throw colored powder and water at each other. This festival signifies the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. People of all ages come together to play with colors, sing, dance, and enjoy festive foods. The streets are transformed into a riot of colors, and the joyous spirit of Holi brings people closer, breaking down social barriers and fostering a sense of unity. Amreli is also known for its traditional crafts, like bandani, which is a special way of tie-dyeing cloth. This ancient art form is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Skilled artisans create intricate patterns on fabric using a unique tie-dye technique, resulting in beautiful and vibrant textiles. Bandani is not just a craft, but a symbol of the artistic excellence and cultural pride of Amreli. The town's markets are filled with these exquisite textiles, attracting visitors from all over who come to admire and purchase these handcrafted masterpieces.
Section 5. Amazing Buildings, Landmarks of Amreli. Amreli, a city rich in history and culture, boasts a variety of landmarks that reflect its vibrant past and spiritual essence. From ancient temples to historical forts, each structure tells a unique story of the city's heritage. Amreli has some amazing buildings that show its history and spiritual side. The city's architecture is a blend of different eras, showcasing the evolution of design and construction techniques over centuries. Walking through the streets of Amreli, one can witness the grandeur of its historical buildings, each narrating tales of bygone eras. The Sri Jateshwar Temple is a holy place dedicated to Lord Shiva, and people come from all over to visit. This temple is not just a place of worship, but also a marvel of ancient architecture. The intricate carvings on the pillars and the serene ambiance make it a must-visit for anyone interested in spirituality and history. Pilgrims and tourists alike are drawn to its sacred aura and the legends associated with it. The Bubasar Fort is a big, strong fort that reminds us of Amreli's importance long ago. This fort stands as a testament to the city's strategic significance in ancient times. Its massive walls and towering structures speak of the battles fought and the victories won. Exploring the fort, one can almost hear the echoes of history reverberating through its corridors. The Bhavati, an old stepwell, is a really cool example of how people used to collect water. This architectural wonder showcases the ingenuity of ancient engineers who designed these wells to ensure a sustainable water supply. The Bhavati is not just a functional structure, but also an artistic masterpiece, with its intricate designs and deep, cool chambers providing a glimpse into the past. If you love nature, you can visit the Gir National Park, which is close by in the Junagadh district. This park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. The dense forests and diverse flora and fauna make it a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and experience the tranquility of the wilderness. This famous park is home to the Asiatic lion, which people come from all around the world to see. The sight of these majestic creatures in their natural habitat is truly awe-inspiring. Gir National Park is the only place in the world where you can see the Asiatic lion, making it a unique and unforgettable experience. Tourists flock to the park not just for the lions, but also for the chance to see other wildlife and enjoy the serene beauty of the landscape.
Section 6. The people of Amreli, demographics and education. Amreli has many different communities living together peacefully. Most people are Gujarati Hindus, with smaller groups of Muslims and others. They mostly speak Gujarati, but Hindi and English are also used a lot, especially for official stuff and business. Education is really important in Amreli. There are many schools and colleges here. They teach everything from art and business to science and engineering. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University nearby offers even more opportunities for learning. This university is really important for the whole area.
Section 7. Getting around Amreli roads, rails and airways. It's easy to get to Amreli from other big cities in Gujarat and other states. Good roads connect Amreli to Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Junagadh, Surat and other important places. National highways go through the city, making it easy to move goods and people. Amreli railway station connects the city to places in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Trains run often, making it easy to travel. Amreli doesn't have its own airport, but you can fly from Rajkot Airport, which is about 120 kilometers away. For international flights, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad, about 320 kilometers away, has lots of flight choices. Section 8. Running the city administration and civic life. Amreli is the main city for Amreli district. The Amreli Municipal Corporation runs the city, taking care of things like water, sanitation and public health. They also plan and develop the city to make life better for everyone. Because it's the district headquarters, Amreli has lots of government offices. These offices make sure government plans and programs work well in the district. Important buildings like the Collectorate and the District Panchayat office are here, making Amreli the center of government for the whole district. Section 9. Amreli today, mixing the old and the new. Amreli is a mix of tradition and progress. It keeps its rich culture while also moving forward with new ideas. Recently, there have been big improvements in infrastructure, education and technology. They are building new roads, schools and hospitals. The Jal Utsav, India's first eco-friendly festival, shows how Amreli likes new ideas. This special festival celebrates saving water. Amreli is also known for its beautiful jewelry, especially the Amreli Daipur style. And the food here is amazing. Amreli has delicious Gujarati dishes that you'll love.